Hello, everybody. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth. And today I want to talk to you about something that we usually don't get to do much these days. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Listen to the sounds of nature. So I'm right here in like a little park, just trying to take it all in. Trying to listen to the sounds of nature. It's not gonna be long till you're gonna listen to a plane or a car or a truck, but maybe for a couple of minutes. You hear that? For a couple of minutes, maybe you can listen to the sounds of nature. It's not an easy thing to do these days. And there's also the occasional dog coming around. But I've been lucky so far. 2 minutes and going. Listen to the sounds of nature. Not an easy task these days. No siree. Very relaxing. Very, very relaxing. And with this one, I want to say hi to everybody. I want to say hi to all the people around the world that follow my videos, follow my music. I know who you are, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. The sounds of nature. This is Tony Dizant, space rocker of the planet Earth, still living in this beautiful planet called Earth. Today, with the sounds of nature.